I'm Jeff Story with A.O. Smith, and we're in Anaheim, California today at the Park Vista Apartment Complex.
Park Vista is a 392-unit affordable community. Most apartments are 1 to 2 bedrooms each, and a lot of families on site. We selected the A.O. Smith Voltex 120-volt heat pump for this project, primarily for electrical capacity constraints. It was also the most narrow product on the market, so it fit within a very small closet.
Here in California, there are some awesome rebates for installing a heat pump water heater. Some can even cover the cost of the entire heater itself. The 120 volt is different than other water heaters because you can plug it into any standard plug. It's also 3 times more efficient than a standard water heater.
So we looked at replacing these water heaters. Most of them are 15 to 20 years old and well past their expected life expectancy. And we wanted to upgrade them to something that would be more energy efficient, cut down our emissions, and save tenants' bills.
And so we're taking our little steps here, and our residents appreciate it. Combined with solar and other initiatives to conserve water, we really can preserve our environment for the next generation. And it's just a great investment in our future and in air quality in Southern California.